Welcome to Mexico. Welcome, Puerto Escondido. We're steps away from the beach, or at least one of the beaches. We're actually near many beaches in Puerto. And we got a scooter today to get around town. It's like super hot, at least for me. That's used to, as you know, living in Cusco, Peru, where I don't sweat, like ever. Let's start with my girlfriend, Ash. She's in the lounging couch area with the dining room table. The way that's Ash's, I want to make that clear, that's Ash's helmet. What else is cool about this apartment? What else is cool? What's your favorite thing? Is it this tiled kitchen thing?
The tiles.
Yeah. The tiles are beautiful. You can see they're different on the side and on the top, which is a nice. You can see the backsplash repeats the trim of the tiles, very nice. Little toaster oven blender combo for you. They provided us with water. And look at this, by the way. It's a motorized, have you guys ever seen that before? Look at this cute green tiled bathroom that repeats throughout the shower area. Shower is super nice because you can massage your feet while I had that happen in Bali as well. Anyway, so here's a desk where you can hang your hats, literally and metaphorically. I almost missed the most important part. Beautifully comfortable, huge bed. Let me know in the comments if 55 US dollars a night is fair, okay? I hope you guys have a wonderful day.